Hello, I'm Stacy Richardson, the Faculty Director for NACAC's Leading and Dynamic College Counseling Program, Preconference Workshop. We've made some exciting changes this year, including changing the title from Directing to Leading. This was done to acknowledge that not every leader has a director title. We will address and discuss the different leadership models many of us hold. You may be the sole director managing a staff, a co-director, or the only person in your office. We will talk about these models and best practices for making them work well. This year we have 2 additional sessions. Assessing your college counseling office and programs for inclusivity will help you evaluate your program to decide if all of your constituents are being served. The second session is entitled Preventing Counselor Burnout, something that we all need to know about. It will help you manage the stress felt by you and your team during key points in the year. We hope you'll join us in September for our dynamic 2 days of interactive activities and important conversations.